In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can craft a minimalistic Shopify website, how you can make a minimalistic Shopify website. So first of all, Shopify offers a theme store with various options. If we go here, we see we can visit theme store. We can also visit theme store from here. Here we can click on apps, sales channels, and from here we can actually install apps, not themes. My bad. Anyways, now we can click on visit theme store, and from here now we can find a lot of themes available for us. We can click on explore themes, and now here we can select from free to pay. So I'm gonna click on free. I only want to look for free, and to create a minimalistic theme store, you have to look for something that has a clear layout and simple colors. So and usually I like white spaces. For instance, this one looks pretty nice. Now another one that's very minimalistic, this one as well. And on top of that, we also can select here some of the features that we're looking for, and also we can select the industry from here. And let's now select one that I found the minimalist list theme. I'm gonna try this one. Now adding craft to your website store theme. Now here I can refresh this page, and now here I can see this craft theme that's just loading. Alright, we just have to wait now for this theme to load. While we're waiting, I'm just gonna tell you that we gotta focus on creating a theme or customizing a theme, because we're not really creating a theme, we're just using a theme from the library. But to create something that looks pretty nice, we're gonna have to focus on some minimalistic style. Like, now let's click on publish here, and we're gonna publish this theme, and now we can click on customize. The color of this website already looks pretty neat. And here you can browse our latest products. Of course, you can click on announcement bar here. If you click on it, this will lead you to this welcome page, which you can edit from here. So you can change this. You can also paste a link, so people will click on welcome to our store, will click on that. This will send them to maybe a collection, to the all collection. So now they can click here. You can see also the word is highlighted, the entire sentence, and you can see the arrow pointing. Right, so now we also have here the rich text and the header. So let's start with the header here. Now if you want to edit my store here, it's called, as you can see, it's called my store. But here you have other things related to the catalog, sorry. And you can from here, not from here, where is it? You can maybe you want to change some of this tracking. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to navigation, and here we have this main menu. So here, as you can see, you saw that before, that I had there, or I still have this order tracking. So it's here. I can edit, I can delete this, remove. Now I can add a new one, and maybe this is just with the policies, and that's all there is there. Maybe some news actually. And now I have a news here. Now I can grab this news from here and actually add it under, we can make it a sub category under contact. Anyways, now it's just something maybe you didn't know about this. And you can click back to customize. let's actually close this and let's customize. So collection. Do I have a collection? Well, if I click on select collection here, if I have a collection, I can see that I don't have actually any collection. I can click on create collection from there. If I click there, we can also go to products here and click on collections, and here I can type the name, the title, and the description for that collection. Also here, make sure you click on edit here and you actually add SEO title for this collection and SEO description for this collection, which means, so adding SEO is very important. It's basically search engine listing. It's like adding a label to your content for search engines. This label has like two parts: a short, attention-grabbing title. This tells people what your content is about, so make sure you add a title, and just a description. Give more details here. And now we can save this. So click on save, add an image also to this collection. Now let's go back to our website. So we're gonna have to ask what we're trying to sell here. Let's say actually I am selling a collection here, what I already have here, and this is kind of a maybe this store I have here. My main I want this products to grab the attention. I want this to grab the attention. So I have this. Actually, let me actually create a collection very fast. Very fast, because added image collection. This is just a dummy account, so that's why I'm not. Sorry, where's that option? Okay, what I'm doing. I don't know what I thought there is an option to duplicate, but there's not. Include. I'm sorry. Apparently there's no option. I thought there is an option for duplicating. Anyways, now let's click on collection, and then I have this collection here, and this is the main. Let's say I want it. Both of these are the main products, and here are I have other featured collections. And now you see, if you want to go to colors, and you can add a logo. And to create a logo, I encourage you to actually use Canva. It's pretty great. You can also use Photoshop, but if you don't want to pay for that subscription for Photoshop, but it's up to you. Now I'm gonna write here logo. Click on here, and now I want this logo to be about, because it was already here kind of crafted towards crafted, what is called in English, it was like crafted towards a specific niche. But anyways, now just for the demonstration purpose, I'm not gonna waste time just thinking, because just create a logo very fast. Download and click on. Now I click on here to add image, and I added this logo. I'm waiting for this logo to load. I click on done. You select the image from here. You can edit this logo and add a focal point. It's okay to add one, of course. And now we have our logo. We have here this header. This header, we can change here the color scheme to something else, as you can see. Now we can also go to theme settings, and here we can change the logo, as I said before, but also here we have colors. So this color scheme can be applied to sections throughout your online store. So if now I click on here and I select this, so you can see this is going to change the color of our store, and this is not minimalistic anymore. It looks very clouded, and it looks like I want to, what I want to pew. Yeah, it's not looking good. So to make this look even better, what we can do first, actually, I'm just gonna put a lot of emphasis only on the main products here. These are the main products. I'm gonna add this, let's say these are the main ones here. And then for the product grid, I can hide this one. Now I know this looks very simple. And now here we can go to Canva and we can design something that looks pretty nice. So what we need here to make this look better, first of all, I'm just gonna change that color to a different one. And here I'm gonna change this. Sorry, what I'm doing. I'm gonna change this here. Change to this one. Change or this one. And now on the header here, main menu, and it should be top center, which is fine. You can also change the layout here. I'm gonna increase a little bit from this part. And now the buttons I don't want to change them resolution, but also, by the way, that we're still here, make sure you add your social media here. And now you can add both of these products. If you have two products and they're the main product you have, make sure you do that. And you can even hide that if it's not important. Even the footer, it looks more simple, and most of the time what's simple, it works just better. Now for this one, for the footer, I think it is important, so let's re-add this back here. But can change the color from here if you want to. The message, we can uncheck this.